Welcome to this meditation for connecting with nature. Today, we will take time to align with the rhythms of the natural world, grounding ourselves in the beauty and peace that nature offers. Find a comfortable position, whether you're seated or lying down, indoors or outside. Allow your body to settle, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhaling, letting go of any tension or stress in your body. Take a few more deep, calming breaths. Inhale through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale through your mouth, releasing any tightness or discomfort. As you continue to breathe naturally, let your mind gently drift to an image of nature, a place where you feel calm and at peace. It could be a forest, a beach, a mountain, or even a quiet garden. Imagine yourself there, fully immersed in the beauty of that place. Notice the sounds around you, the gentle rustling of leaves, the distant calls of birds, the whisper of a breeze. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin or the coolness of the earth beneath you. Let your senses awaken as you place yourself in this natural setting. Now focus on your breath once again. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in the fresh, pure energy of nature. With each exhale, release any thoughts, worries, or tension, allowing yourself to become lighter and more present. As you breathe, feel the connection between your body and the earth. Imagine roots extending from your feet into the ground, grounding you, giving you strength and stability. These roots connect you to the deep, nurturing energy of the earth, holding you steady. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more connected to the natural world. Now let's take a moment to explore the sensations in your body. Start by bringing your awareness to your feet. Feel the connection between your feet and the earth beneath you. Imagine the earth supporting you, providing a stable foundation. Slowly move your awareness up through your legs, your hips, your abdomen. Notice how your body feels. Does it feel heavy, light, relaxed, or tense? There's no need to judge, simply observe. As you continue to scan your body, imagine that with every breath, you are drawing in the energy of nature. The strength of the trees, the lightness of the wind, the calm of a still lake, it all flows into your body with each inhale, filling you with peace and balance. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat, a reflection of the rhythms of nature, the cycle of the seasons, the flow of rivers, the rise and fall of the tides. As you focus on your heart, imagine a soft green light glowing from within. This light represents your connection to the natural world. With each breath, let this light grow brighter, filling your chest with a sense of calm, harmony, and balance. Now we'll take some time to focus on the elements of nature. First, bring your awareness to the earth. Imagine the solidity and strength of the earth beneath you. Stable, reliable, always there to support you. Visualize yourself sitting on the ground, feeling the texture of the soil. the coolness of the earth. With each breath, feel more connected to the earth. You are grounded, stable, strong, just like the earth. Next, let's bring our focus to water. Water flows, adapts, and moves with ease. Imagine the sound of a gentle stream or the sight of ocean waves lapping against the shore. Water cleanses, refreshes, and soothes. As you breathe, imagine water washing over you, clearing away any stress, any heaviness you may be carrying. Feel the flow of water within you, bringing a sense of ease, flow, and adaptability to your life. Now turn your attention to the element of air. Air is light, free, and expansive. Imagine a gentle breeze brushing against your skin, the air around you carrying the fresh scent of nature, perhaps the smell of pine trees, flowers, or the ocean. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in the pure, fresh air of nature, filling your lungs, expanding your chest, and energizing your entire body. With each exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you, allowing the wind to carry it away. Finally, let's focus on the element of fire. Fire represents warmth, energy, and a transformation. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the glow of a campfire in the evening. With each breath, feel the warmth of this fire within you, the fire of your inner strength, your passion, your vitality. Let this fire energize you, filling you with the power to move forward, to transform, and to thrive. Now that you've connected with the elements, take a moment to simply be. Feel your connection to the earth beneath you, the water within you, the air around you, and the fire that burns within. You are part of the natural world, and the natural world is part of you. Allow yourself to rest in this sense of connection, peace, and harmony. You are grounded, you are supported, and you are at ease. As we begin to close this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of nature filling your body, and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension or stress. Begin to gently move your body, wiggling your fingers and toes, rolling your shoulders, or stretching if that feels good. Slowly open your eyes when you're ready, bringing this sense of calm and connection with you into the rest of your day. Remember, you are always connected to the natural world. Whenever you need to feel grounded or calm, you can return to this place of peace simply by connecting with your breath and the elements of nature.